Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building the circles here and here, A and B, and also putting this text at the top. As you can see, the circles are exactly identical, except the color comes from the randomly generated color, and the other one is set to all black or all white or anything in between, depending on the sliders. And that's what we're going to be building today. So back on our app, and first thing we're going to do is do a bit of cleanup, or even better yet, we could reuse the text here. We could first stack it. We could put it in a column so that we can also have the other widgets that will follow later. And what we could do is we could wrap it in a column widget, right? A column widget stacks multiple widgets vertically. It's the equivalent of a VStack if you know Swift UI. It's directly, there's also the row widget which stacks things horizontally and is directly comparable to the H stack in Swift UI. Swift UI is pretty good. I mean, I like reactive programming. It's pretty good. It's pretty good for building UIs. So yeah, and it's something I'm looking forward to building stuff with in the channel as we go along. So let's get to work. First thing we do is we wrap this with a column. Yes, and after that we can change the text to what we want. We could call it match the color. Yes, we match the color like that, and the color, you could make the color unique if you want, but let's just for the text style, let's just not have color. Let's just have font size and the font weight, and we make the font weight. Why isn't it suggesting font weight dot bold? Font weight. Where's bold? Oh, let's just type it out. Font weight dot bold. Okay, there. What we should do is probably center it, and the finished article text match the color is centered. So we could come here and wrap it to the center widget. Wrap this to the center, and we save, and boom, it's centered. Next thing we could do is we could build the circle which will be a stateless widget, which we will reuse in the various the circle A and circle B, the preview circle and the matches circle. So we could come here and we could create a new dart file, call it circle. Yeah, just circle. It's going to be circle.dart. Yeah, so circle is going to be a stateless widget, right? So first thing we should do is import, of course, import the the Flutter material dart like that, and then we could type STLESS and hit tab there, and we would call this we could call this circle, or let's call it circle. And yeah, we call this circle, and because it's going to have color, the color is either going to come from the sliders or from the random color generator, the unique color generator. I can't remember what we called it. I think we called it the unique color generator. It uses random numbers. So we should have, I think, a color. Yeah, we should have a color property here, and we should initialize this class. So we would have final color, very creative, as you can see, and we could initialize this generate constructor. Okay, yeah, so we got this dot color here. Sorry, I capitalized final. It's supposed to be small final. Okay, like this, more or less. Yeah, fixed it there. So yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. And now time to build it up. Okay, we forgot to pass in color to our circle. So we come here and border all inside the box decoration, and we put color as color like that. This color refers to the color that will be passed in from either the slider or the unique color generator function, the class. Yeah. So yeah, and then we try it out. We come to home here, and the center widget. We can call in the circle. We can call in circle, and yeah, circle. We'll take a color. So to test it out, we could put the unique color generator here and get the get color, and yeah, put a comma in it, and yeah, we get the first circle. And because there are two circles next to each other, we should also have another circle here. So we should have circle and call the same unique color generator dot get color. Yeah. And now the thing is, because we want them side by side, we wrap them in a row. We should wrap them in a row. So we can come to the first circle here, and we wait. How do we do this? Yeah, we use this wrap in a row, wrap with the row. So under the row, we could come here and get the second circle. Cut it and put it in the row so that they can be side by side. Yes. But now you see the problem is they don't have any padding. In the finished article, as you can see, there's space between them, and as they're side by side, and there's space all over. So we could use some padding on the circle widget, right? So we come here, and the best way we could do it is we could just wrap this with the padding. So we would come here and wrap with padding. 8 is okay. Yeah. So more or less. Okay, so as you can see, they're both both the circles are leaning towards the start. We need to put them a bit in the center and a bit of space around them. And the easiest way we can do this is by using main axis alignment. So we come here and say main axis alignment to space evenly. We could use space evenly, right? Yeah, so there we put them in the middle and they look good, and I think we have completed what we set out to do today. We have two circles, and they both flash different colors when we reload. Of course, we'll change this. Only the first one, the first circle, this one, will have colors from the unique color generator. This one will get colors from the sliders, and we will do that in forthcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.